All right, guys, I'm going to make this kind of quick because some of you guys know that my wife and I were due for our third child. And she just came into the office here and she's like, hey, my contractions are 2 minutes apart. So I am doing this video and I'm getting off of here. But I want to let you guys know about this real quick. Guys, the future forecast that I just did, it's out. This one chart depends on everything. But more than that, here's what I ended up doing for you guys this morning. I want you guys to pay attention to this. If you guys have not watched our channel before, I am just going to completely, unashamedly talk about what we talked about here because I think you guys need to see this. I'm giving everything away today. My portfolio, what I'm holding, what is in, obviously, the $1.3 million. We've taken out $500,000. If you watch this channel, I'm not going to say this, it's kind of redundant. About $500,000 has been taken out of the account. Currently sitting at $1.2 million, and we're going down from here. The question on a lot of people's minds are, where is this drop going to end before we start moving up again? So here's what we're going over. We're going over target points for XRP, XLM, SHIB, Cardano, and Solana. All those points. You guys are going to see based off high volume and low volume nodes, and I'm going to actually show you guys how to mock these charts up so you can leave with something of how to find the next best areas for these 5 different altcoins, and I'll call out the prices as well. I'm going to introduce new charts that you've never seen before that are focused around meme coin euphoria and how meme coins, if we watch the volume and we watch the fear and greed index, can actually help us time the tops of alt seasons. And we're not at the top yet. Also, I'm going to show you guys a chart, an algorithm that we built that looks at every day's percentage increase and decrease of Bitcoin's price for the last 11 years. And it shows you where we're at in the cycle and what is expected to come. There is a possibility that the top of Bitcoin is in. I'll be very honest. It's why I pulled out $500,000 already, which my account, share with the members, it's 27.77% of all the money I had in, I've actually pulling out of the market. Okay? Just in case the top is in. I'll explain that to you guys as well. On top of this, there's a chart that I'm going to give you guys for all of our members. It's a downloadable chart. You guys will actually see it right here. You guys can click on this. You guys will be able to see the chart that all of this comes down to. It's either Bitcoin moves up from here, obviously, or it moves back down. But it's like, duh, no kidding. But if it moves back up, you need to realize where that exit point is, where I plan to exit all of my altcoins. And if you have Bitcoin, where that price is. Also, if Bitcoin moves back down, what are our stablecoin charts looking like to tell us when we should be dollar cost averaging back in, and what is the exact level of Bitcoin that it can go back down to before we see moves back up? Everything that I've studied and I've given you guys over these last 2.5 years here, almost 3 years, I'm putting in one future forecast so you guys can get caught up today. I believe there is one last sprint to go for altcoins, but it's going to take people off guard of what is about to happen next. And if you screw this up, if you have long-term or short-term capital gains, we'll talk about this as well, the marginal difference between how much price has to drop and to what level, if you sell and try to buy back in, you need to know where those percentages are. Or you're not going to come out as a wash. You're going to be paying more taxes to Uncle Sam than you need to. So I know this is not like a big analysis video. It is just telling you guys to use the coupon code. It's an automatic 25% off. Watch this future forecast and go watch any of these that you guys want. I don't show this a lot on here. If you go to FF Downloads, these are all the downloadable PDFs and TradingView charts that we give away for free to all of our members. You can pause this video. If you like any of this, the retirement chart, all the buy limits that we have set up, why XRP can reach $1,500 by the end of the year, by January 1st, why there's a $3.5 million bet on XRP going to $750 by the end of the year. You can find out how to spot 50 to 100x altcoins and actually giving you guys a full tutorial. You guys get all of this stuff. So I'm going to end this here because I don't want to make it too much longer. I promise you, you guys will find value in the $49 that you pay, and you guys will actually get to watch the next 8 future forecasts I come out with. And really, guys, the most crucial time to be watching is from now until about January 1st. This is where all the big decisions are made, either reaccumulating for altcoins before they explode or getting the heck out before the top is in. Watch this future forecast right here, smack dab on the front of the page. This will catch you guys up with exactly my plays that I'm looking to make next. And you'll walk away with a free TradingView chart. Watch over here on the September 19th. You guys will get another download chart as well. And you guys can actually watch on the 16th, and we'll give you guys another downloadable chart for TradingView that you guys can keep and watch for exits. I love you guys. Watch the future forecast. Pay for this. It will help you. All right. God bless. And I'll see you guys in the future forecast. Bye, guys.